The Straussville Feeds Milk Recycling Plant in North Manchester, Indiana, is dedicated to depackaging and recycling human food waste products in a secure and controlled environment. When a truck arrives at the dock, the product is unloaded and the pallets are moved into a cooling unit. Never for any reason will the incoming products go to the farm without first being crushed and the labels destroyed. A pallet is moved from the cooling unit to its appropriate position in the production line. At capacity, the Straussville Feeds Milk Recycling Plant operates with 2 pallets on either side of a dumping bin. Using a visual and physical inspection of the product, employees are responsible for sorting good milk and bad milk. White and strawberry milk are considered good milk for the purpose of consumption by veal calves. Chocolate milk and milk that appears to have curdled is considered bad milk, as calves refuse to drink it. The good white and strawberry milk is tossed into the dumping bin, and the bad chocolate and curdled milk is set aside to be tossed later. From the dumping bin, the milk moves up the conveyor. When it reaches the top, the milk falls into the depackager, where it is crushed by high-powered air clamps. The milk then passes through a sieve and is emptied into a tank below the depackager. From the tank, the milk is transferred to one of 11 holding bins in a large cooling room. Pending a transfer to veal barns, the milk is held at a temperature cold enough to prevent bacteria growth. To ensure the safety and security of the product, there is no outside access to the holding room. As soon as a Straussville Feeds truck arrives and the manager receives an order, the milk in the holding tanks is emptied into a tanker truck. The tanker truck will deliver the product to veal barns. After the order is filled, an employee secures the lid back in place. A Straussville Feeds driver delivers the product to Strauss's veal barns, where it's stored in holding tanks before being mixed. The milk is mixed with Straussville Feeds Liquicalf formula and fed to calves. A calf's 4-chamber stomach allows it to break down the human food waste product, adding nutrients to the calf's diet while keeping waste out of landfills. Strauss is able to keep waste out of the landfill by recycling the plastic containers and metal cans that are run through the depackager. This process starts as soon as all the product is extracted from the container. Next, the depackaging machine spits the crushed plastic into a bin. When the bin is full, it's dumped into a compactor. The compactor forms the plastic into bales, which are sold and reused for a variety of applications. Straussville Feeds is committed to keeping products safe and secure inside the milk recycling plant. The building is on private property, an alarm system is in place, and the doors remain locked. Straussville Feeds assures that the products are secure from the time they enter the building to the time they are fed to veal calves.